Hello, TMS user. In this video, we will be seeing how to install the PowerDB software and also how to get the PowerDB install files or RTMS install files from the Megger website or PowerDB website. To achieve that, actually, like you go to Megger website, megger.com. If you're already registered, then you can able to like access directly, or please register and log in there and look for the software type like software. If you're a relay customer, please click on the smart 420 or any of the smart product and click on the software tab, and you can find the software like the current release. It's uploaded here, the install PowerDB 11.3.1.0.11 driver update 5th September. This is the last release officially available. Click on download, so it will download into your download folder. The other build is like onboard install. What it does, if some of the users have the SMRT units included display or the standalone onboard units, then you can use this unit, this build to update their units. And also, in case you need a firmware update, like independently you want to update your SMRT hardware firmware update, so you can use this particular SMRT firmwares. So you see there are two firmwares, 6.276 for 50 hertz and also for 60 hertz. Why do we have two different firmware? So like it's for supporting the sample value. So the SMRT hardware is able to generate three streams of sample value output, but it need to be have a specific firmware for a specific application. So example, if you are in the 50 hertz world, then you need to load the 50 hertz firmware to support like a 50 hertz system. And if you're in 60 hertz world, recommended to use 60 hertz. But when we ordering the instrument from based on the location, we default loading these two firmwares. This two firmware only required for sample values. The analog outputs it work with analog output firmware is already included in this. It for both common for both 50 and 60 hertz. Any instruction like how to update the firmware, how to update remote firmware, all those instructions are available in the document. You can download and you can use it. Also, you if you have any queries, you can press contact us and use it. This is the one place to get. The other place is like you can go to the powerdb.com and you press downloads. In the downloads tab, we always populate the latest release, current release in the top of the list, actually download list. So you can see PowerDB Pro 11.3.2, whatever it is, the latest and greatest. You can notice like PowerDB website is always shows the latest and greatest because they publish the all the softwares compared to Megger website. Sometime Megger website might take some a few weeks to get updated. So please click on this link, download to download your software. uh, and one different thing you can notice, actually, for onboard build, you have onboard STWave only, onboard RTMS only. What there is a difference between these two? Onboard RTMS only, it's highly recommended to use if you use Freya units. Then highly recommended to download this build and update the Freya unit onboards. If you're going to use standalone STVA, assume like you're going to use MRCT, MVCT. Also, you're going to use another product like SPY, or also using with a SMRT instrument, the same standalone unit, then it's highly recommended to use this build. Otherwise, you only use for relay product, then it's recommended to use onboard RTMS only build. Also, like there is a one instruction for the pro user, because pro users use or work in different way in the us based customer. So please contact PowerDB for before updating your pro version, actually, because it may it may interact wrongly with your pro databases. So it's highly recommend to contact PowerDB. So so there are two ways, like Megger website and also like PowerDB website. You can able to download it. Once the download complete, you can see the downloaded files in the download folder. Then unzip the file, open the unzipped file. You see the two files. One is the change log, another one is the exe install file. Opening the change log, you can see what are the changes happened from the last yeah, installs. Actually, basically the change log holds the history of changes PowerDB gone through, so you can view what are the changes happen in your last release. To install it, double click on the exe file in that folder. Depends on the PC, memory and the speed. It may take some time, and it varies also user to user. You'll wait for the install window to pop up. The PowerDB 11.3 install setup pop up. You simply agree on this one, Windows. Then it click on install will take you. Then another access to the Windows driver. You click on yes, and it will continue the install. It takes some time because it is loading all its components to copy into your local PC. So it takes some time. Once it started installing, we can see the green bar. It's run through this status bar. Yeah, click next on this first window. Then you accept the license terms. Then depends on the user requirement, you click on the package. The most commonly user use the light version. Click on the light. Advanced no longer used by anyone, so you can ignore it. If you are a pro customer, recommend to click on the pro. In this case, I'm going to click on the pro. Then I click next. Then click install. Then it will start installing the software components in the background, and it will so with the status bar. The installation take uh, a little bit of time. Depends on the capacity and its memory size. So please be patient to complete the installation. Install complete, it pop up the window to finish. So click on the finish button. Then it will start installing the optional drivers. So just let it go, because optional drivers are for like other product. In case in future you use the PowerDB install as a part of the install, like just let it go, that install. Once it completes, like even you press cancel, still it is it will do in the background. So you click cancel and continue that, and finish it. Then once it finishes, it shows the installation successfully completed. Then you are good to go. Your software is installed. Then I installed the PowerDB version 11.32. Clicking Windows key, type like PowerDB 11.3 Lite. So you can see here PowerDB 11.3 Lite is appeared. That's the one I installed. You click on the PowerDB 11.3 Lite, so it will launch the PowerDB. First time launching, it is going to take some time. You can see here connect you to database, right? So we are loading all the components in the background. So it is only first time. It takes some time to copy all the files into the specific locations, and then it loads the software. Yeah, once PowerDB launches, you click on the SMRT. So the connection setup window appears here. Like you select either Ethernet or USB, or the port is 8000 by default. You use it. If you want to use the USB communication or serial communication, you uncheck Ethernet. It shows the settings. But by default, we are going to use Ethernet. I select Ethernet here and click OK. The next window appears to connect with the instrument. In this case, I haven't connected with the relay test set, so I'm going to click simulate devices to launch the software. So once I click the simulate devices, so it will load the Power RTMS software homepage. Actually, this is RTMS homepage. So in the future videos, we will be seeing details about the RTS. So this is the install process complete video. Thank you.